Those stunning macOS Sequoia or Sonoma wallpapers are absolutely gorgeous, right? But I soon realized they secretly eat up my Mac space storage with no delete option. Therefore, in this video, I will show you how to remove them. Just a heads up, macOS can auto-delete a large file like these wallpapers if your SSD gets too full. Also, if your system data looks huge, these aerial wallpapers are often the reason. Let's start by checking which wallpaper you have downloaded. Head over to System Settings, Wallpaper. Take a look at the wallpaper list there. The ones without the little cloud and arrow icon next to them are the ones that you have already downloaded. The ones with the cloud and arrow are still waiting to be downloaded. My advice, don't click download it unless you really like it and not worry about your storage space. You'll notice that there is no delete option when you right click on it, so we have to do manually. Good news, these wallpapers aren't hidden anywhere in some super secret locked down system folder. They are actually pretty easy to find right in your library directory. Here's the simplest way to get there. Make sure you are on your desktop or have Finder active. Just click on your desktop to be safe. From the top menu bar, click on Go to Folder. Now simply copy and paste this exact path into the box that pops up. I'll leave it in the video description. Hit enter. Boom! You are now in the folder that holds all the downloaded aerial wallpapers. Inside you'll see the various folders. Within those you'll find the actual video file. Each one can be somewhere from 200 MB to over 700 MB. Crazy, right? Now for the satisfying part, freeing up the space. In the folder you just open, select all the video file that you want to get rid of. Right click on your selection and choose Move to Trash or press Command Delete. You'll probably need to type your Mac's password here though. After that, head to your trash, right click and select Empty Trash. And just like that, you have reclaimed a significant chunks of valuable SSD space. Just remember, you won't see the storage change reflected until you actually empty the trash. After deleting, your Mac might still think that wallpapers are there because its internal database needs an update. Instead of rebooting, we can quickly refresh of the wallpaper service. Here's how. Open Activity Monitor, press Command Space, type Activity App. In the search bar at the top right of Activity Monitor, type Wallpaper. You'll see the process name Wallpaper. Click on it to select it. Click the X button in the toolbar at the top of the Activity Monitor window, then choose Quit or Force Quit. To confirm, close and reopen System Settings, Wallpaper. You will see download arrows reappear on the delete wallpapers, meaning they are gone and your Mac database is updated. Hope these little tricks help you clean up your Mac and enjoy those beautiful wallpapers without worrying about storage. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if this helped you out. Thanks.